Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I'm Matthew, and today we'll be talking to you about the Smart City Brake Support in the Mazda range. The Smart City Brake Support is designed to stop the car in the event of an emergency, either in light or heavy traffic. You have it in the front of the vehicle as well as in the rear of the vehicle, depending on which models you do have. With the Smart City Brake Support, you can adjust it on the newer vehicles. All you have to do is go down to your settings, go down to your safety settings. When you're in your safety settings, you'll see all these safety systems that you're able to adjust. What we want to go into is collision avoidance. In here you can actually adjust the alert timing, so if you do want it to alert you earlier or later to apply your foot on the brake before it applies the brakes itself. Thank you for watching Tips and Tricks Tuesday here at Mount Gravatt Mazda. We'll make it happen.